11.2 task 2 tells us that an orchestra will give a concert. There are 1,500 seats in the concert hall. Some tickets have been sold, some remain. How many tickets remain? So we're going to identify independent and dependent. So X is the tickets sold, Y is what remains. So the number of tickets that remain, that's what we're looking for. That's going to be our Y. That is dependent on how many tickets are sold, right? You won't know how many remain until you know how many are sold. So the dependent one is the one you have to know first in order to figure out the second one. So X is the tickets sold. So once we know the tickets sold, we can figure out how many tickets are left over. So, right, if this is the total seats, if we've sold this many, right, here's our total. We've sold this many, here's how many remain. So I want to take these away, will tell me what's left over. So I take these away, it tells me what's left over. So this situation is Y equals 1,500. Take away X tells me what remains. So far, 847 tickets have been sold. How many remain? So X is 847, so 1,500 minus 847. So we're plugging that in, and this answer will tell us Y, how many tickets remain. So we do not always have to be multiplication equations that we're using when we're doing independent and dependent. So just remember, independent, it can change. The number of tickets sold can change, right? The first day there's probably 0. Then the second day they've sold 100, 200, 300, 400, however, and that can keep changing, but we won't know how many remain until we know how many are sold. And we're going to take that away. So here is our equation.